Today we're going to make some easy pom-poms. You'll need some wool, some scissors, and a fork. Take the fork and the wool and wrap the wool around the fork. But be careful to leave a gap at the bottom and at the top of the fork. Now when you've finished wrapping, cut the wool and make one last loose wrap. With the end of the wool, tuck it into the loose wrap. Cut a short length of wool . Now put one end of the wool through the middle gap at the bottom of the fork and the other end through the gap at the top of the fork. Now tie 2 tight knots. Now slide all your wool off the fork and take your scissors and cut through all of the loops. Now take the 2 long pieces of wool and tie a knot at the end. Fluff out your pom-pom and cut any unwanted bits of wool off. And there you have it, you've made a pom-pom. Please like and subscribe for more videos.